8, 9, 10. That's a good stretch.
No, you making a par. That would be a stretch.
Funny. To learn golf, you need to learn this stretch.
The hamstring.
Hamstring?
It's a must for your game.
I skipped hamstrings once. Cramped right up.
He couldn't walk for 2 days.
Okay.
Boss, front and center, you two spread out. Legs shoulder width, arms out, step, knee, kick. Step, knee, kick. Step, knee, kick. Step, knee,
You gotta
kick.
do this every time?
Step, knee, kick.
Every
step,
time.
knee. Let me see from the sides. No, higher, higher. Come on, higher. Step, knee, kick. Nuh-uh.
Like
Get up
this?
there. Higher.
Like
Come
this?
on.
Like this?
Yeah, step, knee, kick. Double time.
With feeling.
Looking good, boss.
Chris and the CNL team are certainly flexible in finding time to meet you at NBAA in Las Vegas, October 17th, 18th, and 19th.
I'm failing it. It's working.